So if your crossover, SUV, or midsize pickup truck or larger can tow at least 5,000 pounds, then pack your bags and load up this 2022 Coachmen Clipper travel trailer. This is the 182 DBU. Hey, what's going on? I'm Dave Erickson. Today, I'm going to give you a quick look, walk around both inside and out. But first, a big thanks and shout out to my friends over at Recreational RV here in Spokane, Washington, for allowing me to share this with you. You can see all their contact information as well as their inventory, both new and used, by clicking the link below this video or by going to recreationalrv.com. By the numbers now, 22 feet 3 inches long, 8 feet wide. It's got a 12-foot power awning right here. It sleeps up to 4 people, has a cargo weight of 686, dry weight 3747, so the gross vehicle weight rating just over 4,400 pounds. The hitch weight 433. In terms of water capacity, fresh water 33 gallons, black water and gray water 27 gallons. All right, taking a look around the outside, we got the propane tank up front, stabilizer jacks around the edges, this diamond plated front area for protection of your unit. So if any rocks kick up, should be okay there to keep it from getting all dinged up too much. Pass-through storage just below here. These windows are tinted, a little more protection, and also to keep it cooler on the inside. As I mentioned, you got the 12-foot power awning, speakers on the outside as well. Two-step that folds up into your travel trailer. The door handle here, which swivels on either side. And this is nice. Right behind this door is an outdoor kitchen. So you got a refrigerator up top, and down below there's a grill that you can pull out. They don't have it right now just because it's out here on the lot, but that's a nice little bonus. Behind this, some storage, and just above this, what you'll see inside, are a pair of double bunk beds, but you've got storage below it. Those 2 windows are for each of the double bunk beds, and it's also wire for a backup camera. You can see right there. Spare tire. Also here on the back, it comes with an outdoor hot and cold shower station. Now I mentioned this is prepped for a backup camera. Because this is the 8-foot Coachmen Clipper, it comes with the Camping Made Easy package. That also means it's prepped for solar power. Here you can see the cable and satellite ports just above where you have your gray water and black water drain pipes, all here on the back far end of the travel trailer. 2 more important numbers to tell you about: 13,500 BTU roof AC unit and a 20,000 BTU furnace. But because this is the 8-footer and it comes with that Camping Made Easy package, they jump those numbers to 15,000 and 30,000. All right, let's go inside with the double steps here. Remember, this is a pretty small unit for a travel trailer, only 8 feet wide and 22 feet long. But on the right-hand side, this is how they make use of the space. They have a front Murphy bed behind this U-shaped dinette. So that comes down to create sleeping for 2. There's your stove top, and it's been winterized too, so they've got some plastics on it. A little dark in here right now, but I think you'll get the idea. The microwave up top. Storage all around. Good natural lighting, especially when that is down. We'll make our way back over here. Got a spot for a TV, so when you're sitting here at the dinette or in your bed, you can see a flat screen TV there. Here is the set of double bunk beds, 42 by 74 with windows on either end. Again, pardon and ignore the plastic because this is a brand new unit. They're preparing it for some new owners, maybe you. A little bit of storage back behind the bed. And that Murphy bed is 75 by 54 when it comes down. The bathroom is behind this door. Here, of course, is your refrigerator and your freezer. Let's go ahead and take a look at that bathroom. Again, it's been winterized. You got the foot flushed toilet, skylight here, plenty of light, your fan, good size shower, and a linen closet, open faced. And then one more area here, another storage spot, is in here, just on the other side of the bunk beds. Make use of that for possible pantry or what have you. And one more thing here, they've got a sink vanity on the outside of the bathroom and to the left of your refrigerator. So you're probably wondering what a 2022 Coachmen Clipper will set you back. Well, the base MSRP right around $23,000 here at Click It RV. As seen here, right around 30 grand. Not bad for a travel trailer that sleeps up to 4 people. Again, a big thanks and shout out to my friends and partners at Click It RV in Spokane, Washington for allowing me to share this with you. You can see all their contact information, inventory, both new and used, by clicking the link below this video or by going to clickitrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.